Hello again. So I wanted to go to the next step with the call size. What we're going to do here is we're going to show you the difference. First off, this is Extended Basic 2015, which we've included with Classic 99. Then we have here in RxB 2018. Anyways, let's go with 2 and go to all right, so here's the difference. Let's do this. I wanted to fix the problem with call size. Call size, well, this is how it works. We go 1 call size, go sub 1. So if we run this routine, like normal Extended Basic, it will eventually crash. But while it's running, we can do this. You can see that it shows that the program, the stack free is going down. See, the stack went from 11,404 to 396. So it uses up a few bytes as it goes. Well, more than a few. But anyways, if you continue it, it'll eventually crash. But it doesn't tell you the memory being used. So if we do the same thing here, call size, I fixed it. So what it does is it doesn't do a garbage collection anymore. See, previously it was doing a garbage collection, and the garbage collection was interfering with the amount of memory that was available for strings. So it didn't affect the stack space most of the time, but it did affect other things. So I wanted to fix this problem, and I did that with this right here. So this gives you a current run of the areas of memory being used. Now, VD stack has changed from 90CO to 90C8, so it added 8 bytes. But also, it does other things too. It shows you it still shows you the memory stack free and the memory of the program running, but string space is added into this for the VDP. So something that if I had a string here, it would also show that. Yeah, I don't have a string here in this program. So anyways, we continue. As you can see, it does exactly the same thing. The only difference between the two of them is that the 2015 didn't show you the areas of memory, and the 2018 shows you the exact areas of memory that are free in memory at the time. So if you wanted to go to a debugger and go to the VDP memory and look, you can see that the address is going to be OB88. So if we go to OB00, apply, you can see where the memory is actually being used. So if we continue this, you can see that it's advancing 8 bytes at a time right here. So you normally wouldn't know where to go, but with the new version of RxB 2018, you can know exactly where it's going and how much. You can do the same thing with strings. If I added a string in, like if we stop this, oops, we stop this, and we list the program, and just add in a string, oops, 1, and let's say T-shift $ equal test. And run the program. And we do the same thing here. And run the program. So if we stop it and take a look, it's going to say as you can see, the bytes of memory being used now, along with the stack is showing too. And the same thing here for the new one. Except the difference is it shows you what memory. Let's see, continue. Let's go continue and then break it. As you can see, it dropped the memory bytes, but it also shows the addresses. that are being used. So now you know the free addresses. So this is probably a very useful program for, say you're going to add assembly. It works with assembly and also works with program space. So if you want to use the, say, some of the program space for assembly, or if you wanted to be able to use an RxB command like move data to the upper 24K, you could do that. Or if you want to use VDP, you know exactly what areas are free. This is very useful in the future for anybody writing programs in Extended Basic. A lot less calculations. Now in RxB, I do have a feature called hex. And what this does is allows you to take the memory, like let's say 08, OA 58, and turn it into X. Well, oops. This tells you exactly the address that is being used. 2648 is the decimal version in like a call peak or a call load for that address, which will really help you. It also works with RxB's moves. Does the same thing. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on this. I think it's really cool, and we're going to call this a new demo, and I'll add it to the demos I already put up. At the FestQuest, I will show you this, and so you guys can go up close and play with this. So we'll talk to you later.